What's up, guys? This is Awkward African, and this is the Coming to America prank. Excuse me. This is actually my first time in America, and I was wondering, you know where I can find some asira?
Some what?
Asira? Fufu? Combo? No?
Combo?
Yeah. No idea?
Sorry.
Thank you. I was wondering if, do you know where I could find some fufu? Some fufu?
What's that?
Asira? Combo? No?
Food?
Fufu? It's food? But it's fufu. No? No? You know where I can find some fufu? Fufu. Asira? Combo? No? No?
I'm sorry.
You're from here, right?
Yeah, but I've never heard of that.
I'm from South Sudan, and that's what we eat there. This is my first time here.
Can you Google it?
No, I can't.
Why?
I just can't.
Okay, I've never heard of that.
You haven't heard of it? I thought you did. And I was wondering if you could show me to some hot chocolate gels. Some hot chocolate gels. Like gels, like you girl. Yeah, hot chocolate.
Oh.
Yeah. Show me to some. This is actually my first time in America. And I was wondering if I could dance for you guys.
Dance?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like celebratory.
Okay.
Yeah. Did I get some room?
Well, is the dental Well, I could take their number down, and if I come across any of my friends like that or something.
Do that.
Yeah. Let me call you right back, okay? Alright, what is it? What's your name?
My name is Prince Abalu Shabala. Third. 1111 111. That's my cell phone number. Huh?
I'll let you know
You want to call me, eh?
yeah. Alright, it was nice meeting you.
I told you just
Yeah.
excuse me, guys. It's actually my first time here in America. And I was wondering, do you know where I can find some fufu? No?
Sorry, man.
Some asira?
Yeah, sorry, man.
Combo? No?
Oh, no, man.
Could I dance for you? I'm actually just doing a video right there.
Okay, I got you.
This is my first time here in America.
Okay.
I was wondering if I could dance for you guys. No?
Sorry.
Oh, okay. No problem. I'm actually just playing with you guys. I'm recording over there.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Oh, my gosh. Okay. All right, good one.
Is it okay if we use that?
Where y'all gonna use?
On like YouTube?
Oh, my God.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay? Okay, cool. There's a lot going on in South Sudan, so I thought what better way to counter that pain and suffering than with humor. Thanks for watching. like, share, subscribe. Oh, cameraman.
Damn.
Okay.
Damn.
Okay.